I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn HTML fast. First, understand that HTML is the foundational language for all web pages. You'll need a good text editor. I recommend VS Code for its features and ease of use. Next, open your editor and create a new file, saving it with an HTML extension. This simple setup is your first step towards building web content. Let's dive in and get you coding right away. Now let's focus on the core building blocks. Start by learning common tags such as H1 for headings, P for paragraphs, and A for links. These are fundamental. Next, explore attributes which provide additional details to your tags like href for links. Practice nesting elements correctly. For example, placing an M tag inside a P tag. This creates a clear hierarchy and well-structured web pages. The best way to solidify your knowledge is by building. Start with small, manageable projects, perhaps a simple personal resume page or a recipe card. Don't be afraid to experiment with various HTML elements to see how they behave and render in a browser. Remember, online resources like MDN WebDocs are invaluable for quick lookups and examples. Consistent practice will rapidly improve your understanding and coding speed. To advance further, delve into semantic HTML5 elements like header, nav, and footer. These improve accessibility and search engine optimization. Once comfortable with HTML, begin learning CSS to add beautiful styling and layout to your pages, making them visually appealing. For more great deals and to grab a little Tree's Black Ice air freshener, check out the links in the description below. Keep practicing, and you'll be building impressive websites in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.